Hey guys, this is James with OG Superfly Garage. The Mustang you're looking at right now used to be called the Liberator, but now it's called the Rustic Fox for obvious reasons. Anyway, this is just a little raw video to basically voice my displeasure with the shop that had my car for almost 2 years. So, just a bit of advice for me. Be sure you choose your shops really well and be sure they communicate well because this shop, they didn't. I'm so tempted to name them. It's not even funny, but two wrongs don't make it right. So as far as I'm concerned, I'll never take my business back there again. And also I want, as a disclaimer, I want to say that this video and my words now are not a displeasure with Megasquirt or the company that makes Megasquirt computers for cars or them at all. It's a good ECU, but I believe it was programmed wrong by that shop because when I got the car back, it didn't even sound like it had a cam. What's in the car is a B303 cam. It didn't idle right. It wanted to die. And so anyway, long story short, I pulled the Megasquirt computer out and I put the stock ECU back in and fired right up, bro. It was amazing. Beautiful how it sounds now. It runs. Anyway, just wanted to put that out there, put this video out there. Number one, as a little bit of advice to all those that watch the channel and even those who are new to the channel, watch the shops you take your vehicle to. It's not a good thing when you spend thousands of dollars and you get back a piece of junk. My Mustang was at this shop called for almost 2 years. Bro, I went to pick it up and it was the most disappointing thing. The car ran like crap. When I say crap, I mean it died on me 3 times on the freeway. And it wouldn't even go in gear half the time. And it's a brand new T5 transmission. This engine's been gone through with, new Ford performance heads and all kind of stuff like that. Rockers, upper and lower intake by Edelbrock, all that. And it ran like crap. It was even to the point where they were like telling me, oh, that they dynoed it and the thing only had 198 horsepower. And I was like, excuse me? After all the money I put into this, it only has 198 horsepower and it doesn't even sound like it has a cam. The kicker is the fact that when it came from the factory, as you all know, you Foxbody lovers and enthusiasts, what did it have? That's right, 225. So how in the world they could have less than that with all these modifications? Unbelievable. Anyway, the thing of it is that I talked to Chris from the Infamous Project on one of the live streams. It was really cool, I kind of typed in, described the problem, and I told him that I had a Megasquirt computer on it. And he was like, bro, what are you doing? That's overkill for your motor. You don't have a supercharger on it or any like major racing mods to it, so why have a Megasquirt computer? He asked me, do you have the original computer that came out of it? I said, yeah, I still got it, which I'm glad I went back to the shop and actually got it and put it in the box. But he said, plug it back in and let's see what happens. He was like, I bet it will run just fine. Well, I changed the spark plugs because all the spark plugs were gapped inappropriately. Imagine that. I changed out the Ford Racing spark plug wires for some cheaper ones. The reason why I did that is because they left one of them on the header and it actually almost burned through. Imagine this, it came from a shop that I spent thousands of dollars at and they had 7 Ford Racing spark plug wires and then this one generic one. Unbelievable. I'm just beside myself if I had a twin. But anyway. So anyway, I took out the Megasquirt, laid it on the floor of the car, plugged in the original one and started it up. I'll be doggone if the thing didn't start idling right and sounding right and running on all cylinders. Unbelievable. So I'm going to start it up for you so you can actually hear it for yourself. And actually hear how it runs. Now keep in mind, it's got a B303 cam, aluminum heads, upper and lower intake, MSD ignition. It also has the, what do you call those? It's a type of exhaust. I can't think of it right now because I'm just beside myself with frustration, but relief. But anyway, it's got turn downs on it, so it's gonna sound different. I may switch that to pipes out the back because, as you know, the exhaust fumes. But anyway, so here we go. I'm gonna crank it up. Even the surging went away. And listen how it rumble. Let's walk around. You see? Now that is a B303 cam, baby. Right there. So let's go inside the car, take a look at how she's running. All the gauges work.